So, divide natin siya.
Hi Pag-ibig Team, I'm Ronilo, your reporter for today. So, bigyan ko lamang po kayo ng update regarding sa naging performance po ng Pag-ibig Team Cebu. So, kanina umaga po nagkaroon po kami ng projection na secured with a collection of 135,000. But unfortunately, yung nag-materialize na payment lang is one cured, one performing loan, two partial payment with a collection of 46,765. So, kung titingnan po natin, napakababa po natin ngayong na araw na ito. And then, take note po na 20 na po by tomorrow. So, marami po pa po tayong hahabulin. So, for today, may knock-knock ako. So, knock-knock. Lahat tayo magaganda at gwapo.
Lahat tayo magaganda at gwapo.
Cause you are the only exception. You are the only exception. Bye.